To achieve 120 FPS on your Sceptre gaming monitor, you need to ensure both your hardware and software are properly configured. This process involves checking your equipment, adjusting Windows settings, and optimizing your monitor configuration. First, verify your hardware meets the requirements. You need a compatible graphics card, GTX 1660 or higher for 1080p gaming, and the correct cable connection. DisplayPort 1.2 or newer, or HDMI 2.0 or newer are required for a 120 Hz transmission. Next, configure Windows to use 120 Hz refresh rate. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then navigate to Advanced Display Settings, click Display Adapter Properties, and under the Monitor tab, change the screen refresh rate to 120 Hz. Finally, optimize your monitor settings for 120 Hz performance. Access your Sceptre monitor's on-screen display menu and enable Game Mode or Gaming preset. This reduces input lag and optimizes the display for fast-paced gaming. Also adjust the overdrive setting to minimize ghosting while maintaining smooth motion. Remember to apply all changes and restart your system to ensure 120 Hz is properly activated. Once configured correctly, your Sceptre monitor will deliver smooth, high-refresh gaming performance with reduced input lag and improved motion clarity. Graphics driver optimization is crucial for achieving stable 120 FPS performance. We'll configure both NVIDIA and AMD drivers, then optimize in-game settings for maximum frame rates. For NVIDIA graphics cards, open the NVIDIA Control Panel and navigate to Manage 3D Settings. This is where you'll configure global graphics preferences for optimal high refresh rate gaming. In the Global Settings tab, locate the preferred refresh rate option and set it to highest available. This ensures your graphics card prioritizes maximum refresh rates across all applications. Also, disable any frame rate limiting features and ensure that Power Management mode is set to Prefer Maximum Performance for consistent high frame rates. For AMD graphics cards, open AMD Radeon software and navigate to Gaming, then Global Graphics. Here you'll find the Enhanced Sync option, which should be enabled for optimal variable refresh rate performance. Enable Enhanced Sync to eliminate screen tearing while maintaining low input lag. Also ensure that Wait for Vertical Refresh is set to Off unless the application specifies otherwise. In-game optimization is equally important. The most critical setting is disabling VSync in your game's graphics options. VSync can cap your frame rate and add input lag, preventing you from reaching 120 FPS. Disable VSync in every game to allow your monitor's adaptive sync technology to handle frame synchronization. This eliminates the frame rate cap and reduces input lag significantly. Adjust graphics quality settings to maintain consistent frame rates above 120 FPS. Lower texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing if needed to achieve stable performance. Always run games in full screen mode rather than windowed or borderless windowed. Full screen mode provides the best performance and lowest input lag for competitive gaming. Keep your graphics drivers updated regularly for optimal performance and stability. Driver updates often include game-specific optimizations and bug fixes that can improve frame rates. Monitor your frame rates using built-in game overlays or tools like MSI Afterburner to ensure you're consistently hitting 120 FPS or higher during gameplay. With proper driver configuration and in-game optimization, your Sceptre monitor will deliver smooth 120 FPS gaming performance. These settings work together to minimize input lag and maximize your competitive advantage.